Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So in today's video I am going to review the latest Razer ED edition ROM, not ED, this is Razer edition ROM, latest one, which is ported for our Redmi Note 4. So this ROM is also for Redmi 5 Plus, and in this ROM you will find the latest security patch level of Android. So let me show you inside the all specs. You can see our Redmi Note 4X minus 3GB RAM. So this is Redmi Note 4 guys, you can see. So this is amazing ROM guys, I am using it as my daily driver, and here you will also use some graphic settings regarding games. So if you are any game player like PUBG Mobile, Korea, etc., you can use this ROM. So this is good ROM for gaming purpose, and here you will find good graphics also. Here as you can see, the Android version is latest one, Android 10.0, and Q also whatever you say, and security patch is also latest one. This is November 11.1. So here you will find model number, don't go to this one. Here they have used 3.8 in this one LOS kernel, so there is no any issues regarding these things. So I have faced only one bug, which is speakerphone on calling. So in my case, when I turn on speaker while calling, I am unable to hear my sound. So there is only one issue which I have faced, except that everything was fine. Here there is no any bloatware installed. Here you will find a lot of free space. Here there is no any issue regarding this. And here inside the SIM cards and mobile networks, there is no any dual 4G working for this device. So I am hiding something because my mobile number will be shown here. So here everything works here. Here Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, everything works here. There is no any issue regarding that guys. You can use it without any issue or any error. And hotspot, Bluetooth, everything works here. Inside the connection sharing, here your cast also working. You can cast your mobile into TV or wireless display, whatever you want. So inside the always on display you will find a clock format, and you can enable this one. And in my case, double tap to wake is not working. I don't know why. So let me check it again. So sometimes it is working. When I flashed the ROM, it was not working. And tap on fingerprint sensor to wake, so it is not working as you can see. So let me check it again. So in some cases it is working, in some cases it is not working guys. So I think that shake rise to wake worked. So let me check it again. So tap on fingerprint is not working guys. Rise to wake device is working. So if you rise suddenly, then only work. Here you will find new lock and unlock sound. Let me show you. So here you can use your fingerprint face unlock without any issue or any error. And inside this customization setting, always on and display, you will find here a clock format on lock screen, so that you can customize as per your wish. So here as you can see, I am using this one. So let me unlock my device and I will tell you about more customizations. Here you will find almost 4 type of charging and animation. So let me show you first one, animation. So let me take my charger guys, and let me connect it to my device. So let me lock it first. So first one is this one guys. This is available for every device. And here let me show you second one. This is glow one, and this is glow one. So you can see this animation. And let me show you last one. This is like water type animation. So let me connect my device again. So this is the last one animation guys. I recommend you to use this one only. So it is a little bit good, and you can imagine the charging percentage even if you don't able to see that logo. So that was good one. So let me disconnect my device with charger. So you will also find new charging sounds here, and inside the display you will find reading mode working, and there is dark mode is also working. There is no any issue at all. So you can switch it in one click. There is no any issues regarding this one guys. So let me focus my camera. Sometimes it is out of focus, don't know why. So here you will find the display, dark mode, light mode working. There is no any issue at all. And here read mode also working guys. There is no any issue regarding read mode. So let me open my notification status bar, and let me show you whether read mode is working for me or not. So here I have turned on my read mode. As you can see, my display become yellow. So here you can also adjust the read mode. So here as you can see, and you can also turn it off. There is no any issue regarding read mode. So this is good ROM guys. So this ROM you can use like Joy UI. So both ROMs are same, but there are a little bit changes. So if you are looking for latest, then you can skip Joy UI and you can use this ROM as daily driver and gaming purpose. There is no any issue at all regarding this. And I have already said you that read mode in everything works. And here in notification, status bar and control, you can enable your latest one and older one control center. So this is our latest MIUI 12 control center, and by sliding down from left side you will able to see notifications, and here you will see toggles by sliding down from right side. So I recommend you to use older version only, because a little bit harder if you use MIUI 12 notification status bar. So from here you can enable the weather info. It will be shown here you like this. So in my case I am not using it because it makes a little bit different look, so I am not using that. And inside the themes you can use your themes, everything works fine here. Here inside home screen you can turn on app vault, and you can enable the search bar from there, this one. So you can't disable, I think so. And here you can enable your RAM status, and you can enable these suggestions etc. And you can also enable this recent setting, like you can customize this recent bar. So I will tell you at the end of the video how to customize recent. So here as you can see, like this you can customize your recent. So there are only two types available. So in my case using I am horizontally, and there are everything is working in this ROM. Only one issue I have faced is that speaker setting while using the call. So other thing everything works fine here, and video call also work. There is no any issue at all. And here app lock is also available. So inside apps you will find here app lock. There is no any issue at all. And amazing feature of this ROM is guys, if old people don't know how to use smartphone, then they can use light mode etc. from here. So let me show you how to enable the light mode guys. So inside the special features you will find this game turbo, video toolbox, floating window, second space, light mode. So if you enable light mode you will find less apps installed on this device, which makes easier to use this device. So final thing is guys, if you go inside this and if you go inside the verification, it will show you like Redmi 5 Plus. Don't know why it is showing like this, because I think Redmi 5 Plus, I mean in India it is Redmi Note 5, and Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 4 both have same processor, I think so. That's why it is showing like that. So don't know, but there will be separate ROM for Redmi 5 Plus and Redmi Note 4. I don't know whether this ROM is available for Redmi 5 Plus or not. So this is only available for our Redmi Note 4. As you can see, this is our Redmi Note 4, whatever you say, mid or etc. So you can use this ROM as daily driver and gaming purpose, and this ROM supports 90 FPS PUBG Extreme. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Vande Matram.